Hey y'all, I'm Anna O, and today I'm replacing my battery. Tis the season, for crying out loud. It's cold, it's this winter solstice, and my battery's having a hard time cranking on cold days. And I just learned that you should test the battery you're going to replace it with to make sure it's actually got full charge before you install it. And this one looks good. You'll need a battery terminal disconnector or ratcheting wrench, as well as a 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, adapters, or maybe, I don't know, depending on what you have, and a 6-inch extension and ratchets, and if you want to try to test your battery first, a multimeter. And this stick actually ended up being pretty handy. All right, let's get started. First thing, let's pop the hood. Use the battery tool or a ratcheting wrench to remove the negative terminal connector first. My connectors always bounce right back and like reconnect, and it makes sparks, and it scares me half to death. Electricity is terrifying, so I'm just trying to figure out. This'll do. Disconnect the positive terminal and secure so that the connectors do not make contact with the terminals. Remove the 3 bolts from the hold down brace. There's 2 on the frame, and there's another one at the bottom of the tray, of the battery tray. This one right here, it's a little further down. Sorry, I don't have a better shot of it. They're all 3 of them are 10mm nuts. Remove the hold down brace. Disconnect the air hose. And remove the cover. Remove the 13mm bolt and hold down bracket that secures the battery to the tray. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Still have to do that every single time. Remove the old battery.
Up and away.
Clean out any kind of debris that's sitting in the battery tray. Install the new battery. I'm keeping the plastic clip on the positive terminal just for a minute while I get situated. Install the hold down bracket. I can't really tell if there's like an up or a down on this. It looks pretty much the same both sides, so I guess just reinstall it the way it was if you can tell which way was up and down, and then tighten up that bolt. Reinstall the cover. Reconnect the air hose. I'm installing the hold down bracket first, but if I were to go back and do this again, I would not do this step first. I would connect the terminals first, make sure the cover is actually properly lined up, and then go back and install the hold down brace.
Beep, beep.
Remove the plastic cover on the positive terminal.
It's got room to go. It's gotta be that.
See, I didn't get it right. I didn't get it right, and now I'm dealing with it.
Oh my fucking god.
Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. And now's a good time to tighten down the hold down brace. Close the hood. All right, let's test it. It's a good first sign. So when the battery gets disconnected with this car, you gotta do an idle relearn procedure. The computer gets reset. Oh no. Are you okay? Oh yeah, you fine. The first part is to wait for the temperature to come up to operating temperature. Just let it idle until it comes up to 210.
What are you working on? Stay there.
My neighbor came home while I was in the middle of this, and he's not surprised at all. Just another day in the life living next to me. Sorry, Kirk. Once at temperature, bring up the RPMs to 1200 and hold it there for about 2 minutes. And then just take it for a short drive and you're all done.